I'm going to show you how to create your automated video from your PowerPoint slides. At this point, you should have all of your slides done. You should have your title slide, and then you should have 35 other pictures that you have taken and your narrations that you wrote alongside them, your journal entries that you wrote. And I'm going to show you how to make transitions that automatically go from one slide to the next so that you don't have to click after you click the first time. It should automatically play to the end. First of all, you go to the transition slide, transitions menu, and choose the transition that you want to use. I'm going to choose this one. You can choose whichever one you want. Choose apply to all. And then yours will probably say on mouse click. We're going to leave it that way for now. And then as you are recording your narrations, you will need to notice how many seconds it is. And then you can put that amount in here and switch it to after so many seconds. I'm going to go ahead and record my first one. You go to the Insert tab, click on Audio, Record Audio, and you will click this red button when you're ready to start. Wait for a second after you click it because sometimes there's a little delay, and then you will read what you're going to say. When you're done, there'll be a little square there that you can click to stop your recording. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. My photo journal during the coronavirus quarantine, spring 2020. Okay, the total sound length you can see is 7 seconds. Click OK. Then you're going to go right to the transitions, and I just kind of guessed that it would be about 7 seconds. So I've already done that. I'm going to click on the after and change that to 7 seconds. Either the down or the up arrow will bring you so many seconds. Okay, then I'm going to go to the next slide and do the same thing. I already have my transition chosen. I will go to Insert, Audio, Record Audio. And I'm going to click the red button and start reading. When I went to multimedia class on Friday, March 13th, 2020, little did I know that it would be the last time I would be inside the classroom for the rest of the school year. Mrs. Nightingale told us to copy our class folder from the share drive to our desktops and to make sure we took our computers and everything we needed home just in case school would be called off due to the coronavirus pandemic. Many other states had already called school off, and we had just heard of the first confirmed case of COVID-19 in South Dakota earlier in the week. At lunchtime, Mr. Schroeder told us the news that Governor Kristi Noem had called school off in South Dakota for the rest of the month. We were told to stay home, and hopefully we would slow the spread of the virus. That was the last time I saw the halls of White Lake High School for the school year 2019-2020. Okay, the total sound length is 56 seconds, so I will click OK, and I will go to transitions, and I will change this to 56. You can use the up arrow if you want to. I might actually want to choose that 57 to give it a little bit of time to transition to the next slide before it cuts me off. So you will continue to do that for all the slides. I forgot to tell you though, you're going to drag this down to the bottom corner, this little icon, speaker icon or microphone icon, and you will go to the playback menu and choose hide during show and start automatically. And I will go back and do that for the other one since I forgot to. Click on this little speaker icon, go down to the bottom right corner. You really wouldn't have to since you're going to hide it during show, but I'm going to go ahead and do that just so it's not on top of the writing. Hide during show and automatically. Okay, then I'm going to save it. I only have the first 2 slides recorded, but I'm going to show you what that sounds like. Actually, I do have the rest of them recorded. I recorded before, so I'll go ahead and play by clicking the slideshow button down here. I should only have to click once, and then the whole entire slideshow should go from slide to slide. All right, so you can see the gist of it. I'm going to stop playing the video, and it will continue to play on its own after that, all the way to the end. I did not save the 35 picture slides that you have to. I just did 10, and I made up things that I thought maybe some of you might have done. Bike riding, maybe some of you did baking, some of you had to work outside, maybe you helped in your shop or things like that. So I just made up everything from here on. I will save the video so you can kind of listen to the whole thing as a separate link on my lesson plans. But for now, I'm going to show you how to save this as a movie. You go to File, Save As, and for sure I'm going to save it as a PowerPoint first of all. And then I'm going to save it again, because you will have to turn in both the PowerPoint and the MP4 file that you're going to do. Now all you have to do is click on the file type and choose MPEG 4 video. Click Save, and it will take a few minutes to play down here, or to process the video. When it gets all the way to the end, then it is done. Sometimes it takes quite a while, especially with 36 slides. It'll take a little bit of time, and with the audio in there. I'm going to stop for now though, and I will save this video plus the actual step-by-step video that I'm creating right now and put them on the lesson plans.